You'll be blessed when you come in and be blessed when you go out. Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 6. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Ever since I discovered this delicious cassava leaf stew, it has been a staple. Today I'm going to show you how my Sierra Leonean friend taught me to make the cassava leaf stew. It's very delicious, easy to make, and very nutritious as well. So please come on board and stay tuned. Let's make this together. You're going to love it, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, let's get started. So first thing first, I have my frozen cassava leaves, popularly also known as Pondu. Forgive me if I do not pronounce that well. I also have my protein. I went for some lamb and a bit of cow skin, that is the willy. Here are some few vegetables, seasoning, palm oil, and a bit of some peanut butter. Very, very important. I also have a touch of tolu beef. Of course, it's going to give me such an amazing flavor. And also, this is a touch of Ghana to this recipe, which I love. I love it. So here we have it. Everything will be listed below in the description box. What I like to do is go ahead and blend all these lovely ingredients. I go in with my habanero pepper, my red and yellow onion, tomatoes, and I also have some anaheim pepper to this. Blend it. So nice one there. Our blendables are ready. So in my pot, I'm going to add my proteins, which today I chose the lamb and the cow skin. Also a touch of tolo beef to this. I absolutely love that part. And I'm going to season it with 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm also going to add 1 homemade vegetable bouillon. I've actually shared that recipe on here, and I'm going to link it here and below as well. It tastes so good. This recipe does not require you to use garlic and ginger. All right, so please take note of that. I'm going to cover it and allow this to steam for the next 5 to 10 minutes. It's good to stir in between just so that you do not burn the bottom of your pot. So while waiting for that to get ready, I am now going to cure for my cassava leaf. This is simplified. It is frozen, so most of the job is already done. All that I have to do here is add 1 liter of water, or even more, cold water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse it very well. This is some leftovers of that, and I'm going to blend everything together and wash it very well and squeeze out the extra juices that comes with it. You're going to do the same thing if you are in Ghana. If you have the fresh cassava leaf, or in Africa, you would go ahead and pound it. Okay, pound it very well and squeeze out that juices from it and wash it again before you can use it. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing here. All right. So one good thing that you can do from all these juices of the cassava leaves is also to use it as bentoalization. Yes, you can actually use it for detox using your bentwa. I've already shared the recipe of that, but this also can be used. Cassava leaves contain lots of nutritional values, and it really helps and aids in digestion as well. So just in case you are constipated, you can actually use this and insert it backwards, and you'll be relieved in a bit. That's a tip right there. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside, and went ahead to check on my meat. It's doing absolutely amazing. I'm now going to add my peanut butter. It is very important to have some peanut butter in here. Very good. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir everything, make sure everything is very well combined. And I'm now going to add my cassava leaves. You can see the texture. It is not watery at all. That's how it's supposed to look like. Add everything here and gently stir everything together. Adding the peanut butter and the cassava leaf will make it a bit thick, so go ahead and add a little bit of water to easing it up a little bit. For the umami flavor, I'm going to add in some dawa dawa, just a touch of home. Just makes everything so warm, so fresh, and just so nice to have. So I'm sprinkle a little bit of dawa dawa on top, and I'm just going to stir everything gently together, cover it halfway, and allow this to cook for the next 45 minutes. You just want to go ahead and be checking up on it. It is very, very important to allow this to cook very well, because you do not want to have any runny stomach, okay? Because this has to be cooked very, very well. Remember, we have peanut butter here, we have the cassava leaf itself that takes a while for it to get ready, okay? Other than that, you cannot consume this at all. So allow this to cook on a low to medium heat for a good 45 minutes. Oh, there's something about this stew, the aroma alone, top notch. So one important ingredient that you need to add to uplift this whole beautiful stew up is your palm oil. So I'm going in with about half a cup of palm oil and just allow everything to simmer through nicely as you see on your screen. Just gently stir everything together and allow this to cook and simmer for the next 10 minutes or so. Make sure you're doing this on a low to medium heat, okay? It's very, very important. Oh, the aroma, the combination of palm oil and the peanut butter is doing something to my soul. It is so good, very, very good. Now for garnishing, I'm going in with a bit of red onions, habanero pepper if anyone wants extra heat in their mouth, and I also like to sprinkle a little bit of spring onions, a little touch of anaheim peppers. Why not? I mean, come with all the veggies that you prefer, the ones that are nice and crunchy. Of course, it is acceptable. So just make sure you stir everything gently together, allow this to simmer, and just go ahead and watch this beauty, this beautiful magical soup get together. It is so good, so lovely, that I really want you to try. Amazing stuff. So there you have it, family. After allowing this to simmer for just about 5 minutes on a low to medium heat, we are now done and ready to serve. The aroma from this alone is just incredible. It's so good, very healthy, and after eating this, you just feel like something good has really entered the system. So here we are going to pair with some white rice. You can definitely pair with your yam if that's what you like, or some plantain. This is so good. A little bit of white rice. I love me some avocados, and yeah, going ahead to just fetch some for myself. So yes, my people from Congo, Rwanda, Sierra Leone really got this very well, and Liberia too. I know this is such a staple in most of your all homes. This is so good. I really want you to try something different. It is really delicious and you're going to love it. There you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching right to the end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.